What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on ZRX, also known as OX protocol, which has pumped up over 55% in the last 24 hours and currently trading at 44 cents guys. So we're going to be looking at why has it pumped up so much. Is now the right time to buy it? Is it too late? Have we missed the boat? Or on the other hand, if you are looking to sell it, is now the right time to sell it and take out your profits? Or should you hold on to it before it pumps up even higher over the coming hours, days, weeks and so on? And going into 2024, is this a crypto to be investing into, and is it a must have in your portfolio? That's also what we're going to be going through as well. So we are going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, as well as looking at its prediction over the short term and long term as well. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But as you guys can see, this is very interesting. It is literally hitting the resistance target here of 44 cents, and that is where it's trading at the moment. So it can only go two ways now. It can either drop back down into the red zone or break out and head into the green zone, heading towards the 50 to 60 cents target. So we'll have a look at where it should be heading towards over the next couple of hours, days and so on. So for now, let's get the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So as you guys can see, we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart. This gives us the average value of ZRX, which is here in purple at 28 cents. However, it is trading at a much higher value here in green at 44 cents, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, as usual, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning drops in values are expected from ZRX over the next 12 to 14 hours. So essentially in the early hours of tomorrow, I'm expecting ZRX to have gone through an overall minimal drop in value, potentially dropping just below 40 cents is where I'm expecting this crypto to be trading at in the early hours of tomorrow. However, that doesn't mean that it's going to start crashing as of right now. Of course not. It's likely to pump up a little bit higher than where it is at the moment, potentially heading up to 47, 48 cents over the next couple of hours before it slowly starts to drop back down below 40 cents in the early hours of tomorrow. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we're looking slightly bullish. We've got the blue and the orange line heading towards the positive direction, looking bullish, meaning an overall increase in value is what is expected from ZRX over the next 7 to 8 days. So towards the end of next week, ZRX should essentially be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment, potentially heading over 50 cents is where I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at. But that doesn't mean that it's going to be consistently hitting green candles for the next 7 8 days. Of course not. It is likely to hit red days in between, take the odd dip. But again, the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side, meaning hitting over 50 cents by the end of next week is what my predictions are at the moment from ZRX. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks guys, the blue line is looking way too steep. It is looking absolutely crazy because of the major pump that's taken place over the last 24 hours. The graph thinks that the crypto is going to keep pumping this way at this pace over the next couple of weeks and so on. However, that is not the case, of course, even though yes, I'm expecting an overall increase in value over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so mid to late December 2023. I'm not expecting a major pump or a major bull run or anything like that. Potentially heading to around 65 to 70 cents towards the end of the year is where I'm expecting expecting ZRX to be hovering around towards the very end of the year, as I'm also expecting Bitcoin to be heading over $40,000 towards the end of the year. I'm expecting the crypto market to be moving towards the positive direction, which it has been for the last 2 weeks, and hopefully we should continue that way for the rest of the year, and also going into 2024 as well, we should be on the green side. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and go into the CoinMarketCap website. Here we can see the trading volume has gone up like crazy, 1,600% up, making it $531 million in trading, which is a huge percentage increase in the last 24 hours in trading, meaning a lot more people are trading the crypto right now. We're seeing a lot more buyers as well as a lot more sellers selling their cryptos and taking out their profits as well. So for those of you asking what would be the buying price for ZRX, for myself, guys, as you guys can see, is overvalued at the moment. It has pumped way too much, meaning I will not be investing into it right now at the moment, as I'm expecting it to drop back down in value. Yeah, there's no point in me investing into it. But even if I was to invest, I wouldn't buy it for more than 18 cents, guys. Anything below that, yes, I would be happy to invest. Anything above that, I wouldn't invest into the crypto. That would be my buying price. That's my personal buying price. Doesn't mean you have to follow that. It's entirely up to you guys when you guys want to buy it and sell the crypto. Selling wise, if I had $1,000 right now into this crypto, I would probably take out $400 to $500, so 40 to 50% of my investment I would take out, so at least I got some profit out. Again, guys, I would only sell it if I am on a profit. If I'm not, then I'll just keep holding on to it. So yeah, 40 to 50% I would take out, and the remaining 50% I'll probably hold on to it for next year as well, to see what happens in the crypto market. And obviously, to be specific, ZRX, I'm expecting it to head up to about the dollar mark by mid next year, so I would probably hold on to it, hold the 50% for next year as well. So let's bring out the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, we are literally trading at the resistance target at 44 cents, and it is likely to break out from the resistance target into the green zone for the next couple of hours before it shoots back down into the red zone in the early hours of tomorrow, and potentially trade in the red zone for a couple of days and then head back into the green zone by mid to late next week, and potentially heading up to around the 50 cents target, 50 to 60 cents as I mentioned, over the next couple of weeks. But yeah, this is my take and my prediction on ZRX, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below, what is the highest figure you guys are expecting this crypto to hit in 2023. Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.